Hey everybody, it's Dave at Four Seasons RV here in our Wichita location. Looking this morning at the Bighorn, built by the Jayco family of companies. As we look at this is a 39RK rear kitchen. Has all kinds of amazing luxury features on it. In fact, we kind of joke around and say if you have champagne taste and a beer budget, this is the perfect unit for you. Tremendous quality, compares with the Jayco Pinnacle, North Point, the Grand Design Solitudes and Influences, the Alliance Paradigm. This particular unit has the Kurt Helix system on it, as well as the suspension. It's got the Dexter Tow Assist, anti-lock brakes, which is really awesome. It has 3 propane tanks, 2 on this side, 1 on the other. Lots of slide out rooms. Lots of just amazing features inside of this. Central vac, JBL controls for your stereo outside, very large storage compartment, tankless hot water heater. As we walk inside, have the opportunity to see the amazing features inside here. Again, it's a rear kitchen, so your dining room is here as you come in. Nice kitchen table, little breakfast nook bar or desk, depending on what you need to be able to use it for. Got a fantastic pantry here with adjustable shelving, which is really nice. GE appliances, refrigerator, freezer. It's a slide out pantry, again with adjustable shelving for you to be able to store different size items. GE microwave, full size residential stove, 4-burner. And then of course the top end kitchen sink, plug-ins for your phone, chargers, lots and lots of beautiful cabinetry, amazing woodwork in here. And one of the things that is just really striking is as we look at the wood trim here, this is very high-end trim. It is put together. There are no nails or brads on the outside. Everything is done from the backside. The fit and finish of this is just absolutely beautiful. Very aerodynamic fan here in the middle. Lots of storage, or lots of seating, sorry, as well as lots of storage. Huge television. 3 air conditioners inside of this unit. Got a half bath as you come in the door. Gives you lots of nice space. Beautiful medicine cabinet. Again, continuing to carry out the beautiful woodwork throughout. Got your BMP Pro pad that controls everything in this unit. Then our bedroom, big king bed, nice storage area, extra lights. Places for you to set your CPAP up if you need that. Additional storage there by that. And then a beautiful bathroom. Lots of cabinet space in here. An amazing home-like shower. This thing is huge. Beautiful shower inside of this. And then the closet with tons of hanging space for your clothes, as well as the possibility of putting a stackable washer and dryer or a combo unit inside of that. Makes for a beautiful camper. Tankless hot water heater. Just amazing features. The fit and the trim on this is absolutely stunning. Just really, really punches above its price range. Come out and take a look at this unit. Go to our website. Look at the MSRP versus the price that you can buy this unit at. It's easily $20,000, $30,000 less than comparable units from a quality standpoint. Less than some competitors that aren't even quite as nicely put together as this. So come out and see us. We'd love to take you through and show you several of our Bighorns, milestones, and the Sundances here at our Andover location just outside of Wichita. Four Seasons RV, where the fun begins.
KansasRV.com.
Abilene and Wichita.